morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the man that I call the real estate entrepreneur, Omar Alfaro. How you doing, buddy?
What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing?
Hey, buddy. So we've not been able to talk for a couple of weeks because I went out and took a week vacation, spent some time in New York with family and friends and all of that good stuff. So our first video is always the market. So would love to catch up, Omar. Remind people what market you're in and what's happened the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, the market that I'm in is the high desert. It's Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia. Just the high desert in general, 45 minutes north of Rancho Cucamonga. And yeah, our median home price is about 400K. I think we're dropping to like 385, 390, just like everywhere else. So I got a email from um one of my title reps who always comes through for me. We are sub 1400 homes. We're at 1386 total listings. Total listings. Okay, check this
Wow.
out. And I'm gonna give you guys the progression here. Uh we went fifth the middle of let's go to the middle of October, mid 1500s. Then we dropped to 1513. Then we dropped to 1496. Then we dropped to 1570, or then we increased to 1570 with the little hiccup of the interest rate, right? Um, and then we dropped from the 14th to the 20th to 1421. And now we're under 1380 in all
Active listings.
actives. But
Yeah.
the
This is
crazy
this.
part,
Go ahead.
sorry,
No, please.
the crazy part, we're only at 32 pendings in a calendar week. We went from 60, 60, 77 because of the hiccup of the interest rate that dropped a little bit. We went 61, then 65. This isn't a week, 6 days. And then, bam, we're at 30, 32 or 35 pendings. That means transactionally, completely slow.
Yeah, so this is important, right? So again, people can go back on my channel. I have receipts, which I love. Is I warned everyone that inventory was going to collapse heading into the end of the year. And 6, 7 weeks ago, I think even if we go back to like September, we were actually talking about 2,000 listings on one of our
Mm-hmm.
videos, right? Because I think
We
you were at
were.
1,800.
Yeah, we were.
This is predictable, folks, right? So what is happening? Why is inventory crashing? Well, I'm going to guess, and if you have the data, you can share it. What is happening now is you are finally getting expired listings. We had all those people in the summer with all that bullshit wish pricing list their properties, and they basically said, if we get our price, we'll sell. They didn't
Yep.
get their price. They're taking it off the market. You're also
Yep.
getting cancellations. People are going, instead of taking a price drop, which my agent tells me I need, we are just going to cancel. We are going to stay put. Folks, transactions
Crazy.
crashing, inventory crashing. We have demand destruction. We have supply destruction. We have the winter. We have the holidays. This was easy to predict, and we called it on this channel. I'm so excited to see. So, where does this go? I don't believe we see any meaningful impact until March 15th. March 15th will be, roughly speaking, the spring selling season. And the question is going to be, where's interest rates? Where's unemployment? Where's the recession? What is all this crazy stuff going on? But between here and there, it's going to be slow, slow, slow. So if you're a real estate agent and you've got 32 transactions in a month that went pending, which, oh, by the way, according to Redfin, 33% of those are going to blow up. So you're going to
Mm-hmm.
get like 20 closings. You better start being a creative real estate agent. You better be a hybrid agent. You better figure out a way to feed yourself because it's going to be tough living off commission.
Yeah, and that's one thing I'll share with you, and it's we're still taking listings. It's slower
Yeah.
in general. Buyer sites too, because buyers don't want to pay the extra. I've had about 4 or 5 people cancel their listings because they were going to go buy another property, and they're like, you know what, we don't want to. They got a 4% loan, 4.3% loan, even a 5% loan. They're not wanting to
Yeah.
make that change. So it's like, okay, it's happening to me. It's happening to other people. Um, So there's something here that you gotta know. I mean, just because you take a listing, it doesn't mean it's gonna sell. Like that's the
No,
crazy part. And I'm looking at the actives. It's 13, yeah, 1354. 30 transactions. That's it, 30 pending from 11/21 to 11/27. 30.
yeah,
That's I don't think
it's
we've
nothing.
ever like that's crazy. I
Yeah.
don't think
So
we've
again,
ever been that low. Sorry.
yeah. So as a real estate investor myself, as a real estate entrepreneur like yourself, we knew this was coming, right? We've talked about it for months.
Yep.
There's still opportunity, right? I want people to
Mhm.
hear what I'm about to say. I look at my market, Omar, every day for 3 years. I couldn't get a deal. Couldn't get a deal. Couldn't get a deal. Nothing. Shoot, I couldn't get counters in 2021, right? Because I only write
None.
deals that
None.
make sense. I couldn't get a counter. Um,
Hmm.
I locked up a deal 4 weeks ago, and I have another one that closes December 6th. There are motivated sellers hiding in your MLS. Your job's to find them. Write
They're
lots of
hiding in
offers.
there.
Yeah, write lots of offers. Both the deals I got I got for 30% less than list price.
Hmm.
And
30%
there's
less?
less
Oof.
than list. Yes, less than list. And oh, by the way, the second one, I went back and got an extra 5K just because I wanted to see if I could. And I did after my inspections.
Beautiful.
So again,
Beautiful.
there are folks, this is, transactions down. People have to sell. It's the time. It's winter. Nobody's looking. As an
Hmm.
investor, like if I was in the high desert and I just heard you say 1,500 listings, 33 pendings or whatever it was, I would
Right.
be ecstatic. I would be writing
It's
lots of stupid low ball offers.
stupid. Like literally, I've already sent out a message to our team, and I'm like, start writing offers at 50, $60,000 under list price,
Absolutely.
like
Why not?
immediately. Why not?
Yeah. Patrick Bet David, I want to give full credit to him because he said this time to write disrespectful offers.
Hmm.
I'm ecstatic by the numbers you gave me. If I was an agent living on commission, I'm sorry, you're going to go become a Starbucks barista. But I'm an investor, right? I raised capital when the time was good. Now I'm going to go deploy that shit and make a lot of money. So, folks,
Hmm.
do the work, learn average, write great offers, 30-year fixed rate debt, cash flow day one. If they want to buy in the high desert, how do they reach out to you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar, or omaralfaro.com.
And folks, we're going to talk about 2023 in the next video. We're going to talk about Omar, what he's looking to do. I'll share some of my goals with you. So stay tuned for that. It will be out. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome. Thanks, Michael.